Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is lecture number 1 and week number 5 and 6. Okay. Okay, language. So that was descriptive definition of language, recursive way of defining language, recursive way example. So you know about this. Okay. So your topic related to this lecture is what is regular expression and different example of language with regular expression. So in this lecture I will explain you what is a regular expression, why we are using regular expression in theory of automata, and I will solve for different examples on regular expression. Okay, so what is regular expression? Before you know about regular expression, you need to know about the expression, this one. Okay, so expression, we can say the combination of operand and operator, majmuae operand वो operator इरमा expression मेगा मकसद इसी है मिसाल इन जो माने इस्तेमाल किन्हें x plus y एक mathematical एक expression असता एक x असता एक y असता अमी x y रा मोची मेगम इधर मोमेगम operands इरमा operands मेगम इधु operands असता ये चीज़ ना ई plus ये अलामत मुस्बत, this is called the operator. Okay, this is called the operator. When operands are combining together by means of operator, so that is called expression. Yeah, we can say the combination of operands or operator, so that is called the expression. Furthermore, here we can also have multiplication with z minus again y or any other variable. So these are operands, minus is operator, this multiplication is operator, this plus is operator. So all these are combining together to make an expression. Okay, got it? Next, regular. What is a regular expression? So regular expression is a common means of defining a language. So in language definition, we have different way to define a language. First was descriptive definition of language, in which we are describing the condition or statement on the basis of which we are making a language, and theory of automata. Dom is the recursive definition, in which we are specifying a condition, and on the basis of that condition we are making a language. For example, if we have x is even, so then x plus 2 will also be even, x plus 4 will also be even. So this was the recursive definition of a language. Third here that I am explaining is the regular expression. This is also the representation, yeah, this is also the definition of a language. Okay, so here we will also define a language to regular expression. Okay, how will we define a language? So we can say that this is the concise way of defining a language, very shortcut way of defining a language. For example, I am writing a language right here. For example, null string, then we have A, double A, then we have triple A, 4 times A, 5 times A, up to infinite. ये एक representation है language asta सही से. All in more, bazari regularization ये चीज़ represent mechanism या define mechanism हमें language रहा. So here we can write the regular expression for this is equal to is asterisk. You know about this asterisk clean star enclosure. Okay, so now this is the representation of language. This is the definition of language, which is very concise, very short. This is very short representation of language. Concise means short representation of language. So regular expression is that definition of language in which we are defining language very concisely, in which we are representing the string of a language very concisely. So that is the regular expression. Next one, the concept is associated with the cleans formalism of regular set introduced in 1950. علما گفتیم که یا clean star closure است سایز یک language represent میکنه. امی clean star closure زیادتر استفاده میشه در regular expression، بسیار زیاد استفاده میشه. انشالله باز در مثال ما تشریح میگیریم که clean star closure یا cleans دو قسم تیورم داره، سایز یا cleans دو قسم representation داره. ایرا شما خانی و باز ما تشریح میکنیم یک star است و دوم ستار امیره که ما تشریح کردیم و دوم کی کلین پلاس هست. شما ایره میفهمین این نل استرینگ داره، این نل استرینگ نداره، امی فرق است. امی کلین فرمالیزم که هست، امی فرمولای کلینز یا ریپرزنتیشن کلین دا می ریگولر اکسپرشن بسیار زیاد باز استفاده میشه. باز ما مثال باز ما در مثال ایره استفاده میکنیم و تشریح میکنیم باز است. Next one, useful operator used in the regular expression are as follows. اینجا the clean star closure امیالی که ما گفتم که یک star است، یک plus است. These are the usefully بسیار زیاد استفاده میشه. باز star مقصدی است zero or more. It means null. Zero means null or more strings in that language. प्लस मकसद चीज़ तो वन आर मोर मकसद इसे कि नल स्ट्रिंग न में बोशा सही से उदिया मुकम्मल मौजूद में बोशा सही मकसद इसी में है. So this was regular expression, which is the concise representation of the language and theory of automata. Next, what we have the okay. So we are using different other operators and regular expression in theory of automata. So these operators are A or B. A or B. We can also write A or B like this. A plus B means that this is the A or B. Okay, this means that this is the A or B. A, this pipe sign, B, this means that A or B, or we can say A plus B is also referred as A or B. Okay, so we are using OR operator. We are using OR operator. Second one, A dot B. We will also use A dot B. A dot means, this dot means and. What does it mean? It means A and B. For example, if you want to represent this operator, this expression, this is a regular expression. This regular expression is a set of string more represented. For example, yak language as L is equal to, how will we represent A or B? So it means that A comma B. This is the language and this is the concise representation or definition of a language. A or B, yeah, we can say A plus B. How will we write this A dot B or A and B? So the language for this will be just like this. Look at this, A, B. A and B or A dot B, what does it mean? It means that AB, there is no comma between A and B, but here there will be a comma between A and B. It means that sometime the finite state machine will accept A or B. At one time it will accept A or B, and at one time, at same time, the finite state machine can accept both A and B. Okay, so A dot B means A and B, A B in a language. This means A or B, or A comma B in a language. Next one, how will we represent this in a language? So this is also a regular expression. So here we have A or B, simply A or B, but here what we have A or B whole steric. So this is clean star closure on A or B. So what does it mean? It means that A or B, look at this, A or B, 0 or more times. 0 or more times. What does it mean? Let me represent this in a language. Jak language असतं, the language is second A or B या 0 or more. 0 अब ये steric असतं. شما رو میفهمی که اگر steric باشه اول null string باشه. Null string. So this means that 0 or more. This is 0 and then we have or more times. More times means that A comma B, then next it will be repeated AB comma BB, then it will be repeat several times. 3 times A, and then we have 3 times B, 4 times A, 4 times B, and so on. So this means 0 or more times A and B. This is 0 and this is or more time A and B, more time. Got it? Okay, next, A or B, what does it mean? It means that here we have clean plus closure. We have here plus sign. What is meant by plus? Plus means 1 or more. 1 or more means that here is no null string. There will be no null string and plus, and the remaining will be the answer of the A or B whole power plus. Got? Okay. Next, these are all the regular expressions. These are the representation of language, definition of language, third definition of language. First was descriptive, recursive, and this is the third representation of definition of language, which is regular expression. Okay, next, this is also regular expression. How will we represent this regular expression in a language? What does it mean? Here is no star over A. In just star names by A. Fakat by B star as the operator kodam as the A or B, yeah, we can say A plus B. A, what does it mean? A or B, only B, 0 or more times. How will we represent this in a language? Look at this. L is equal to, so here we have a language. What we have? A or A. So here A, we will write A comma. So now this is for B or B steric. So for this we will write like this. B steric will be just like this. Look at this. First of all we will write null string for B. Then the B will be repeat 1 time, repeat 2 times, repeat 3 times, and so on. Comma, and then we unlimited repetition of B. Okay, A or B steric. Got it? If you have any questions, so then you can ask. Okay, next one, what we have? A pipes and B, yeah, we can say A or B whole steric, same like this. And now what we have C or null string with this by using dot operator. So here these two are combined with each other through AND operator, yeah, we can say through dot operator. So this is OR operator and this is the OR operator. So in general we can say like this, A plus B whole steric, okay, whole steric, and C plus null string. Null string can be represented by this one, we can also represent by epsilon sign. Okay, okay, so this is the general form, yeah, this is the second form of this regular expression. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that A or B, this means A or B are more times. So yeah, A yeah, B are more times. I have explained this. Okay, next what we have with AND operator, and C or null string, and C or null string. Look at this, A or B 0 or more time, because this is clean star closure, and C or null string. Okay, so for this you should make a language باید شما خود برای ایجاد کنید. صحیح؟ بسیار آسان است. این شما لنگویج جور کردید و بعد از این اند است، اینم باید شما نوشته کنید. صحیح؟ Okay, next. So these were different examples of regular expression. So I have some more regular expression. Here we have example of regular expression. For example, if we have an alphabet, this is called alphabet, and you know about this. So here I have taken alphabet having two letters A and B. So I will use this alphabet for all of my questions. Okay, find regular expression whose length is exactly 2. So you should keep in mind exactly, at least, at most. What does it mean exactly? Exactly means that here the length of string will be exactly is equal to 2. It should not be greater than 2 or less than 2. It should be exactly 2. Okay, it should not be greater than or less than 2. Okay, so now exactly means, what does it mean? It means that here L is equal to double A, double B, sorry, AB, BA, BB. So here the length of string is exactly 2. So here first of all we will take AA, then we will take AB, then we will take BA, and then at the last we will take BB. Okay, so this is the language representation, and this is the descriptive form of a language definition. And here let me just make a regular expression. So here we have the regular expression for this statement, which will have exactly 2 A's and 2 B's. How will you make this? Look at this. So if you have a finite language, for example, if finite set as the like tanaines, the momifomim kinja char string as the nabos iramo chiksam neshta meginam maksad A plus A, B plus B, A plus B, B. अगर ये finite set باشه با زیر ما مکمل ده پلاس نوشته میکنیم. مثلا یه یونین هست بعد از این اگر شما این پورشن رو اگر شما سعی کنید اینجا ای است، اینجا ای است، از دویش ای داره ما یک ای مشترک میگیریم یا ما میگیم که کامن میگیریم. یک ای اینجا میمونه، یک اینجا بیرون آمد، ای شد پلس بی و دیگه چی است؟ ای پلس ساین مثبت نشون اینجا میه. بعد از اینجا بی است، اینجا بی است، ما از یک بی مشترک میگیریم، ای پلس بی اینجا میمونه. بعد از این یک جدا پورشن است پلس یک جدا پورشن است، اینجا ای پلس بی است، اینجا ای پلس بی است. از این ما چی میگیرم؟ ای پلس بی مشترک میگیرم، یا شما در ازی خواندیم ای پلس بی و باز چی میمونه؟ اگر ما مشترک بگیریم صحیح است. باز اینجا so here when I take it is a common, so here a will remain plus here b will remain. So what does it mean? It means that this is the regular expression for this statement. So when you multiply these two, so it will give you the same result which is in this set. So this was the regular expression for this language. But you should keep in mind this thing, exactly 2. Length will be exactly 2. 2 string, length of 2 string, length of 2 string, length of 2 string. And here we have the regular expression. Next.